Today I will be reviewing the PAG wood desktop bookshelf. I ordered this product as lately my desk area was getting cluttered with all of my electronic gadgets and I had to start getting organized. This product comes well packaged and the first item I see is a big thank you. As a consumer, I appreciate messages from businesses not to sell you more, but to thank you for their business, which goes a long way for me. This product also includes the instructions and the boards to assemble the shelf. These boards look fantastic and nicely done, as the wood looks natural and the color matches my desk very well. To assemble, you just need to connect board 1 to board 2, then to board 3. After connecting the first two boards, you can see the screw head is sticking up. That was due to my mistake. I connected the board on the opposite side. I should have used the wider hole opening so that the screw head would fit better and not stick up. Now that looks much better. Two shelves are now completed and ready to renovate my desk area. Here it is, folks. This is how it looked before. And take a look now. Fantastic, and I'm really glad I made this purchase. So here is where I say thank you to PAG for such a great product. Overall, I am extremely pleased by this product. The space-saving design really did help save space and organize all of my electronics and more. The bookshelf looked great. It feels very durable and sturdy. Allowing it to be adjustable made it work well with what I had, and it was easy to install. Literally took a few minutes to connect the rack. I highly recommend this product, and I am already looking at purchasing a few more items from PAG that match this bookshelf. Therefore, I rate this product a 5 out of 5 stars. Hope you like this review and let me know if it helped you out.